So this month at the Windham County Humane Society, all cats over 6 months old are only $10 to adopt. All cats are spayed or neutered, up to date on shots, microchipped, and come with a certificate for a free vet visit with your vet. This time of year, there are lots of kittens around, so sometimes older cats get overlooked, which is why we're having this fabulous special. Here are a sampling of the different cats we have. There are lots more. Come in and meet them and see if we can find your right match.